Hi my friends, welcome to German for Lazy. Let's talk about food in German. Our first word is essen. The word essen means food and the verb to eat. Essen, essen, food. Essen, food. Apfel, Apfel, apple. Apfel, apple. Banane, 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 Banane. Banane, Brot, Brot, bread, Brot, bread, egg, egg, fish, 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 flesh, flesh, meat, flesh, meat, Früchte, Früchte, fruit, Früchte, fruit. Gemüse, Gemüse, vegetables, Gemüse, vegetables. Käse, Käse, cheese, Käse, cheese. Kartoffel, Kartoffel, potato, Kartoffel, potato. Milch, Milch, milk, Milch, milk. Rice, 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 rice. Salat, Salat, salad, Salat, salad. Suppe, Suppe, soup, Suppe, soup. Tomate, Tomate, tomato, Tomate, tomato. Wasser, Wasser, water, Wasser, water. Nice job, my friends. Let's pronounce one more time each of the new words. Essen, food, Apfel, apple, Banane, banana, Brot, bread, egg, fish, fish, Früchte, fruit, flesh, meat, Gemüse, vegetables, Käse, cheese, Kartoffel, potato, Milch, milk, rice, rice, Salat, salad, Suppe, soup, Tomate, tomato, Wasser, water. Well done, my friends! Now, if you haven't already learned each of these new German words, don't worry, never give up, you can always listen to this video one more time. Danke, see you next time, Tschüss!